Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add the text on your picture with mobile Photoshop. So the first thing you have to do now, open your Photoshop application on your phone, and after that you just need to start to a photo editor by click this part and choose which photo that you want to add the text. Just need to go click it, and you now already have the project with the picture, and you're ready to add the text on. And now you just need to take a look on these features down here. You need to slide into the left side until you found a text, and after you found it, you just need to go click the text. And now preparing the text and type the text that you want to have, and after you're done, go click this done button. You can adjusting the font by go into the font part and choose the fonts that you want to add into your text. You just need to find it, and after you found it, you just need to drag into the specific part and pinch with two of your fingers to make it bigger. If you want to set the color, go jump into the color, but then if you already satisfied with this color, go click this random part. And that's the way how to add the text on a picture by mobile Photoshop. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.